Hey everyone, welcome back to Vardeez, and I'm excited to announce the launch of our live online batch for the FRM Part 1 for May 2026. Yes, this is going to be 100% live online batch for the FRM Part 1 May 2026. Now this batch is designed especially for working professionals and students who want that structured, guided and consistent approach in their FRM Part 1 journey. Now here's something I've noticed over the years. A lot of students, they start early, but then as they move across time, they lose that consistent approach, that study, that discipline that is required to focus on the FRM Part 1 exam. So that's where this live online batch steps in. This batch is all about creating a disciplined, a consistent and a proper structured approach that gives you that rhythm week after week so that you don't just start your FRM prep, you actually stay consistent till the finish line. This batch is not just about live lectures, it's about building a study routine. Now let me tell you a little bit details about the live online batch. It's going to be a weekend only batch. That means every Saturday after the banking hours, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we're going to be catching up for a live online session for a specific chapter. And then on the Sundays, in the afternoon, we're going to be catching up for another chapter. So this way, for the next 4.5 months, we're going to be catching up every single week to complete the FRM Part 1 curriculum. And after that, we're going to be focusing on the crash course, the revision, the mock exams, so on and so forth. And let me tell you one very important thing. So this is going to be like a self-paced plus a live online. And we call this as a hybrid. What this means is that you already have all the recordings of all the lectures of the FRM Part 1, but at the same time, you get the opportunity to attend the live online sessions batch. And we're going to be starting with this live online lectures from 9th of November 2025. So do not wait, you can go to our website, enroll for this live online batch, and let's make your FRM journey organized, guided, and result driven. Okay, so I'll see you in the live class. Let's take the risk and make it worth it. Right? With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.